Today on Max Sandy Geddes, we're making an easy egg breakfast pizza with sausage, pepperoni, tomatoes, mushrooms, and cheese. So let's get started. Yeah, to get started making our breakfast pizza with sausage, pepperoni, tomatoes, mushrooms, and cheese, we have here Smokies. It's Oscar Mayer Smokies. They're a sausage link, and we're going to use about 4 of these today. And over here we have our mozzarella cheese. It's about a cupful. And over here we have Fiesta Blend cheese. That's about a cupful. And back here we have some petite diced tomatoes. Yep. Yeah. That's about almost a cupful there. And back here we have our slices of pepperoni. There's at least 8 or 9 slices there. And we have over here a little bit over a cupful of canned mushrooms. Yeah. We love our mushrooms. And over here we're going to be using 5 large eggs today. Yep, this is going to be a good one. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, before we get started here, I thought I'd show you the packaging of the Smokies. They're Oscar Mayer Smokies. They're sausage made with pork. Yep, okay, that's good. And it's smoked, so that even tastes better. Okay, let's get some of this stuff out of our way. Yeah, and before we start cutting up our sausages, we're going to take our any sharp knife sharpener here and sharpen our knife. Yeah, let's do it. Just lock it down, just like that. And we're going to take our Asadero knife, it's a Santuco knife, and we're going to sharpen that up real nice and sharp for the week here, you know. It lasts pretty long time when you sharpen it with the any sharp knife sharpener. So let's go ahead and pull it through there maybe 3 times. That's all you got to do. That's it. That's all you got to do. Boy, is that sharp. Okay. Let's remove our any sharp knife sharpener. It's got a really nice suction cup. It won't move when you go ahead and try to sharpen your knives. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the package. And we get our little Smokies out of there. Okay. Yeah, now we're going to go ahead and cut these on an angle. Something like this. Try to cut them a little bit thin. Okay. And we'll put them in a bowl. Now you can cut these as thin as you want or as thick as you want. But boy, these are really flavorful, these Oscar Mayer Smokies. If you haven't tried them, you ought to get yourself a pack and try them out because they're good. Okay, there they are, our Smokies. Yep, Oscar Mayer Smokies. They're little sausages. Yeah, boy, they taste good too. And they're made with real pork. Yep. I don't know if you can see it, but there's not a lot of fat in there and all, so that's good. Okay, now we're going to crack some eggs. Yep, they're grade A large eggs, so let's crack a few. Okay, we have 5 eggs here. Now to that we're going to add a little bit of salt to taste. A little bit of pepper. Some garlic powder. A little bit of onion powder. And because we have our smoked sausage here, we're going to add some smoked paprika. Okay. And a little bit of red pepper flakes. Okay, and we're going to add about an ounce of water, and we're going to go ahead and mix that up. Okay, to that we're going to add a little bit of our mozzarella cheese. Okay, and mix that in. Okay. Okay guys, all we have to do now is fire up our non-stick skillet and start cooking. Yeah, that sounds good. Boy, this smells good already. Okay, let's set our burner to medium-high. Put a little oil in the pan. Brush that around. Get it on the sides a little. Okay. We'll let our pan get nice and hot. Okay, our pan's hot enough. We're going to take our sausages and we're going to go ahead and put them right in there. Okay, let's stir them around a little here. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now we're going to lower our burner to medium-low. And we're going to take our egg mixture. We're going to mix that up. And we're going to pour that right in there. Kind of spread it around. Okay, that looks good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cover that and let the egg firm up a bit. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. That's nice and firm now. Pretty good. Yep. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take some Fiesta Blend cheese. We're going to put that on top. That's almost a cupful there. Okay. Now we're going to take a little more of our mozzarella cheese and sprinkle that on there. Okay, now we might not use all these mushrooms, but you know, we opened the whole can, so we'll probably just put a few of these on there. You could probably make 2 or 3 out of this can of mushrooms. But we love our mushrooms, so we're going to put quite a few on. Okay. Now we're going to take our petite diced tomatoes and we're going to put some of them on. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to take our pepperoni. Yeah, we love our pepperoni. And we're going to put that on there. All right, there you go. Now we're going to sprinkle what's left of our mozzarella cheese on top. Yeah. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now we're going to cover that and let that get all nice and melted. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, let's shut off our burner. And now all we have to do is give this a taste test. Yeah, let's do that. Boy, does that smell good. Okay guys, here it is. Wow, don't that look good? Alright, let's see if we can get that out of there and on a plate here. Yeah, boy, does this smell good. I wish you could smell this. Okay, let's see if we can get it out of there. Let's go for it. Oh yeah. That's beautiful. Wow, look at that. Doesn't that look good? All right, let me spin it around so I can show you. Look at that. Boy, is that tasty looking. Yeah. Okay. We're just going to have to get into a bite. Yeah. All right. Before we do that, though, we're going to season it up a little more. We're going to put a little bit of salt on top. Not much. You know, you can put what you want on top of there. I like a little pepper. And I like to put a little bit of extra grated Parmesan cheese on top. Not much, just a little taste. Okay. And a tiny bit of oregano. Okay. Boy, doesn't that look good for a breakfast pizza with sausage, pepperoni, tomatoes, mushrooms, and cheese? There's plenty of cheese in there. Plenty of mushrooms. Plenty of sausage. And it's loaded with eggs. Yeah. And we seasoned the eggs, so they're going to taste good already. So here we go. We're going to slice this up and have a little piece. Let's see how it is. Okay, we'll cut into it this way. Wow, is that cheesy. Okay, and we'll go this way. Just plain cheesy. Look at all the mushrooms. All right. Okay, let's see if we can get a piece out of there. It's kind of hot, so I'm going to use this spatula. All right, let's go for it. Oh my God, look at that. Can you see that? Boy, is that tasty looking. Yep, we just got to have a little bite of that. Look at the mushrooms and all, and the tomatoes and the pepperoni. Okay, yeah. Let me put this back and maybe we'll get a fork. Yeah, we can't quite pick it up yet because it's too hot. All right, let me put it back. Okay, let's take a bite here and just see how it is. Oh yeah, look at the cheese. Can you see the cheese? Boy, is this gonna be good. All right, let's just go ahead and have a bite. Yeah. Oh wow, is that tasty. This is more than a breakfast right here. You could have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Yeah, just go ahead and make them this way because they're tasty. And if you're feeding a family of 4, 1 slice of this is plenty. And with all the flavors that's going on in there, they're going to love it. And you can put whatever toppings you want on top of there. You don't have to, do the toppings I did. You can just go ahead and put whatever toppings you like on there. And it really tastes good this way. And there's no crust. The pizza crust is the eggs and sausage. That's what makes it really tasty. Yeah. Yeah, I just got to have another little bite. Look at that. You can pick it up now. It's not as hot. Beautiful right there. Let me have another little bite. Mmm. Is that good? I know everybody's going to want to know, how's the crust look? Well, let me see if I can show you without dumping all my toppings. Can you see it? That's just beautiful. Okay. There you have it. Yeah, one other thing, guys. If you wanted to make this really crispy up top, like the pepperoni really crispy and everything, you can just put this under the broiler for about 5 minutes. If you had an oven-safe pan, you could go ahead and put it under the broiler, and boy, it would turn out good too. This is great too. I like it kind of soft up there and nice and gooey. Yeah, that sounds good. I didn't want to dry it out any, Okay, guys. If you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, you can't beat this. It's an egg breakfast pizza with sausage, pepperoni, tomatoes, mushrooms, and cheese. Wow, is that tasty. Yeah, a little bonus footage. This is the first meal we had that we cooked in our house after Hurricane Milton came through. It just is about 2 days ago it came through, and it was a lot of strong winds and quite a bit of rain. And we were on the southern side of the eye. The eye just went right overhead of us, but just the bottom side of the eye went right over us. So we made it out okay. Everybody here seems to be okay. There was a lot of debris on the road, and they were cleaning it up with front-end loaders and everything. We couldn't really get out and go too far. You would have ended up getting flat tires, So we gave it a couple days here. This is the second day. So it's been about a day and a half since Hurricane Milton came through. So there you go. I just thought I'd throw that in there. And it really turned out pretty good, this pizza. And it's really quick and easy. Yeah, that's why we did it. Quick and easy. Okay, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.